Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to give dimensions in a sketch and how to use expressions. I already covered how to give how to use geometric constants. So let's start. I am creating a sketch. Let me tell you first how to use expressions. If you have any sketch and if there is any correlations by means of any formula or any correlation, then you can use expressions. Uh, right now I am taking one rectangle. I created one randomly rectangle. What I want is I want 2 times length is equal to 2 times of width. So I will go to tools, I will go to expression, I will create go to the new expression. In that I will put width. In the formula section I will put number as 100. Right now I created a width expression. The new I will create length expression. Length. In the formula section it should be 2 times twice of width. So I will put 2 times of width. It automatically coming as a width. Okay. Then apply and OK. Then in width I will double click on the width dimension and I will directly type width. So right now width is coming. So I took that, hit enter and go to the length, put it here length. So every time I don't have to change two dimensions. If I change width in expression, the length is automatically get changed. You can add all and n number of expressions and dimensions and correlations. It will reduce your number of clicks. It will reduce your time to change the sketch, and it's also important when you work on the more complex sketches. So that's why you always have to use whenever possible geometric constant and expressions. Right now I am giving the diameter as width or width by 2 or width by 4. Let's take width by 4. So it's also one expression got created. Then P8 its width by 4. So I will go to tools, expression. I will change only width. You will see all the sketch get changed. It's 200. Okay. As I change the width, all the dimensions gets updated.